The next concept, equilibrium of charged particle. So what is equilibrium? So equilibrium means the net force acting on the body is zero. The body is said to be equilibrium condition. So take the example, the man is standing on the ground. The 5 members pull the man on this direction with the force F1. The same 5 characteristics mans pull the man on this direction. Okay. So you have to think whether the man is go to F1 side or whether the man is go to F2 side. So which direction the man is shifted from its main position? The man does not shifted on any side. Why? The reason is the net force acting on the man is 0. So that is, man is said to be equilibrium condition. Okay, so this is the object. Now come to the point, charged particles. So at what are the cases the charged particles are said to be equilibrium? So the charged particles is said to be equilibrium means the net force acting on the charged particles is 0. So that is, the charged particles are said to be equilibrium condition. So the first come to the point, let's take the 2 charges. Okay, so the same magnitude, the magnitude is same. The magnitude is same. So this is the charge number, it is a point charge plus q. That is another charge, it is also plus q. The magnitude are same with the distance. So the distance between these 2 charges is r. So the force exerted on the charge plus q, so is because of 2 to the plus repulsive, this is the force. So this is also positive charge, this is a repulsive force. So let's take one more charge. The charge is capital Q. So it is also polarity of the charge is plus. So now I plan to shifting the plus capital Q charge to this system. At what position this charge is said to be equilibrium? Okay, so now I am shifting this capital Q charge to this system. On what position the net force acting on this capital Q is 0. Okay. For convenience, so this part is divided into the 3 reasons. This is the reason number first. This is the first reason. Then, so this is the second reason. So this one is third reason. So this is the first reason. This is second reason. This is third reason. The whole system is divided into the 3 reasons to convey for the explanation. Now I come to the point, this is the capital Q. I bring from this to I kept on this position. So in the first reason. So what is the force exerted on the capital Q because of due to this charge, this plus Q charge. positive, positive, it is a repulsive force. So this force is F1. Then, so what is the force exerted from the this charge plus Q? So positive, positive, it is a repulsive. So this is F2. So does it is net force is 0? No. Okay. So did not what? The net force on capital Q is not 0. Why? Because so both are along in the same direction. So this case is what? This is fluff. Okay. Let's come to the second reason. Okay. Second reason. This is the second reason. Second reason. The capital Q is placed at a distance x from this charge. Now, what is the force exerted on plus Q charge because of due to the plus Q plus? Both are like charges. It is a repulsive force. So this is the force is exerted this direction. So this force is what? F1. Then it is a positive charge. This is a positive charge. So the force exerted on the Q charge because of due to the small q, it is a repulsive force. So this is this direction. So this is F2. So look at this one. The F1 and F2 are in opposite directions, and also the magnitude is same. The magnitude is same. So the magnitude is same, but the charges, it is a force on the Q, it is in opposite direction. The net force is what? 0. Why? Because the F1 force is equal to K QQ divided by distance is x square. Then F2 is equal to KQ divided by, so this distance is R minus x. So both it is a equal, that is a F1 is equal to F2. Why? Because F1 is opposite. So this direction is plus, this side is negative. So this side is negative means this is minus F2, that is equal to 0. So F1 is equal to F2. So the F2 value is equal to, so F2 value is equal to how much? K Q. Okay, F2 value is K capital Q divided by distance is how much? R minus x whole square. So x at what position? So yeah, ಎಷ್ಟು distance ನಿಂದ ನಾನು okay, so ಎಷ್ಟು distance ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟರೆ the net force acting on the capital Q charge is 0. That is the question. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x value ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you okay, so you have to find out the x value. What you got exactly equilibrium position of the capital Q charge. Okay, how to find out? Let's see. This is cancelled. So this is square cancelled. 1 by x is equal to 1 by r minus x. So r minus x is equal to x. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x 2x is equal to r, x is equal to r by 2. R by 2. So this is the r distance. The magnitude of the charge is same. The polarity of the charge is remains same. So now come to the point, the another charge. So this another charge you have to bring where you want located on this system, exactly middle of the separation between the charges. You got the equilibrium, the net force acting on the, so this charge becomes 0. Keep it in your mind. So this is the important tricks. Okay, so in the problem, if the two charges are located, for example, so if the two charges 6 coulomb and another one 6 coulomb separated by the distance 10 centimeter. So at the other charge, that is a 2 coulomb of charge, you located at what point the system is said to be equilibrium. Okay, that means, so at what position the 2 coulomb of charge is equilibrium. At what position the 2 coulomb of charge is equilibrium for this system? Okay, so the magnitude is same. Correct? Magnitude is remain same. This is plus 2 coulomb. Okay, plus 2 coulomb. Simple. Apply madidina. So illi r by 2 andre 5 centimeter itre 2 coulomb anna, the net force acting on the system is 0. Calculate mada avashyakate na illa, directly. Okay, you got answer because already studied in the theoretical part. Okay, so andre 5 centimeter ge exactly the net force acting on the system becomes 0 in the second reason. Okay, now come to the point. If the magnitude is different, so magnitude different again, it is same magnitude itto, then the magnitude is different. Okay, so magnitude are different. The magnitude is different. So the magnitude is change madile. Let's come to the point. So this is the second case number second. First case is completed. So first charge Q, another charge, it is magnitude is 4Q. Polarities of the charges both are same. Now you have to bring the capital Q charge. Okay, capital Q na tagobirತೀನಿ at the point. Okay, so this is the capital Q. The force exerted from the small q, so this is the force is F1. Okay, both are same. It is the polarities of the charges are same. So the force exerted from this one is opposite direction. This is F2. Again I got center. No. Let's check the answer is right or wrong. Okay. So yav ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ think ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? F1 force. So this distance is r distance and this distance is x and this is r minus x. Force F1. So force F1 is today. So KQQ divided by x square. Then F2 is equal to F2 is equal to K, it is the magnitude is 4Q. This is Q divided by distance is R minus X whole square. So this is KQQ. KQQ. Directly proportionality. Correct? So this is called as numerator. This is a denominator. First you focus in the numerator part. So numerator numerator which is more. So in the case of numerator, F1, F2. Okay, so F1, F2, which is more? F2 more, because directly proportionality. Numerator na tagondaka. So denominator, come to the point, the denominator. So denominator nalli, so this is X, this is R minus X. X. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ X ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ X ಅನ್ನ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ X ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ R ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೆಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಆದ್ರೆ 10 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 8. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 64 ಬಂತು. ಇದು 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ F2 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ F2 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ F1 F2. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಲೆಸರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 64 ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 64 ಬಂತು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಸೊ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 4 ಬಂತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ F2 ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ F1 ಲೆಸರ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ F1 is lesser, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ F1 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ is the answer is what? So answer is F1 is equal to F2. So F1 value is this much. Okay, KQQ divided by x square is equal to 4KQQ divided by r minus x whole square. So KQQ cancel, KQQ cancel. 1 by x is equal to 2 divided by r minus x. So r minus x is equal to 2x. So 3x is equal to r. Hagadre x is equal to r by 3. So r by 3. So position alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to shift the this charge, that becomes what? Equilibrium. So both are, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is obey for conclusion ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the conclusion part is second reason ಗೆ, okay, second reason. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಎಫ್ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಬಟ್ ಪೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಪೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಪೊಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೊಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೊಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ change. Okay, polarities of the charges are 1 plus 1 minus ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So case number 3, case number 2 complete ಆಯ್ತು. case number 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is example, magnitude change ಆದಾಗ. Okay, so polarities change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this is a plus q, another one, this is minus 4q, so 3 part, positive negative attract, okay. So ಈಗ first one charge q1 e place ಅನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ, that is the first one, plus q. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಣ. q ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್, f1 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ attractive means this is like that. Okay, so f1 and f2 both are along in the same direction. The net force is not 0. The second reason, okay, is not what a suitable place for the equilibrium of the third charge. Okay, so the second position is not to fit for the equilibrium condition means, okay, move to the first reason. So the distance between these two charges, is r. Okay, so this is the plus q charge. Positive repulsive, positive repulsive. This is f1. So distance, x distance. So first charge mugitu. Next, positive, this is minus 4q. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ two different charges, plus q minus 4q. So it is attractive. So attractive andre this one, f2. So f1 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So q divided by distance is x square. f2 is equal to k q, its magnitude is 4q. Okay, so that is a F2 charge. So F2 charge is F2 charge QQ. So F2 charge is along this direction. So this direction means K 4Q capital Q divided by R plus X whole square. So that is X is lesser than to the R plus X. So that becomes F1, F2. So in the case of denominator, which one? X, it is a lesser. So lesser means F1 is greater because inversely proportionality. Okay, then in the numerator. So numerator part, numeratorally which one greater? F1, F2. F2 is greater. So ನೋಡಿ, both are reverse. So reverse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ conclusion part is F1 is equal to F2. So F1 is equal to F2 means KQ capital Q X square is equal to K 4Q capital Q divided by R plus X whole square. So KQ cancelled. 1 by X is equal to 2 divided by R plus X. So 2x is equal to R plus X. X is equal to R. What a wonderful conclusion, I got it. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x is equal to r. x is equal to r ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ is equal to x. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ the net force acting on the capital Q charge is 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟರು x is equal to r ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so this is a plus q and this is the minus 4q ಅಂದ್ರೆ capital Q ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಡಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ equilibrium condition at what position the capital Q is placed on this one system or in this one location. You kept this. Okay, this is the conclusion part. So this is the fixed charges. The charges are fixed. Keep it in your mind. So this charge is fixed and this charge is fixed. Okay, I am talking only fixed charges. So now come to the point free charge. In the case of free charge, free charges okay, second one, free charges. take this is the charge plus q, the another charge is this is also plus q, separated by the distance r. So this charge is free charge, this is also free charge. The charge is move anywhere. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ದೋಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇವನು ಕೂಡ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವನು ಕೂಡ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ positive charge repulsive force. So this is the repulsive force F1. Positive charge F2. ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಈಗ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ plus q because this is a free charge. Okay, free charge. I am talking about free charge. Here this is plus q. So plus q, it is a repulsive force. First one, force exerted on the q. Okay, so force exerted on capital Q. Eshittu both are F1 this direction, F2 this direction. Then force exerted on small q. Okay, ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? A ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, q. So this direction, this is F1. So F1 equal to F1. Then q positive. This is F2 is along same direction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 0. ಈ ಫ್ರೀ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಈಗ ನನಗೆ 0 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬೇಕು ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ 3 reasons the net force acting on the individual charges is equal to 0. Now that is the very fit position or very fit location for to giving the capital Q charge. Okay, so this is fluff. Okay, fluff ata bitbidi fluff. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. So this is also free charge. So this is the distance is r. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರ. ಸೊ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So we have to talk negative charge. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರೀ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 0. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಓಕೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ x ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. first. Okay, the force exerted from the plus q. Minus to plus q, it is attractive force. So because of the attractive, this is the F1 force. F1 force. F1 force atta. Then minus q plus q minus plus q. This is also this direction. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಟ್ಟು okay, so negative charge placed on this position. Okay, so this is the r distance. Okay, negative charge. Positive, negative. What about the force? So the force is exerted on this one charge on this direction. This is F1. Correct? Because attractive force. So this is attractive force. This is F2. Nodi, attractive force. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಒಬ್ಬೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ದೇ q, so this is the positive q, positive q. ಈಗ so minus q charge, minus q charge, this is the minus q charge. Force exerted, force exerted on minus q. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 0 ಬಂತಾ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ F1 this direction, F2 this direction. Force exerted on plus q. Okay, minus q ಬಂತು, ಈಗ plus q ಬರೋಣ. Positive, negative, attractive force. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then positive, positive. This is F1. Positive, positive, repulsive. F2. So banta, that is F1, this is F2. F2. So this is the second possibility is also obeyed. Both the possibilities are obeyed. The net force is 0. So let's come to this one. Negative, positive. Okay, negative, positive. This is the direction. Positive, positive. This is F1. So positive. Okay. So this is a negative, positive upon there because of force is exerted on this one. F1. So positive, positive. F2. Okay. First reason is also not force 0. Second reason also not force is 0. Third reason is also not force acting on the charge is 0 because charges are in free position. So this is obeyed. Okay, now calculate the one by one. First one, x at what distance? Okay, at what distance you located the positive charge, the capital Q becomes equilibrium. F1 is equal to F2. Correct? F1 is equal to F2. F1 value K, Q, capital Q, distance. So this is R. Okay, this is the R distance and this is X. Okay, this is X. This is R minus X. So this is complete is r distance. R distance. So K QQ divided by x square is equal to K QQ divided by r minus x whole square. So this cancelled. 1 by x is equal to 1 divided by r minus x. So r minus x is equal to x. 2x is equal to r, x is equal to r by 2. X is equal to r by 2. So come to the magnitude. So Q magnitude ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So come to the magnitude. Q magnitude. Q magnitude. Q magnitude. So Q magnitude ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So this is by using F1 dash is equal to F2 dash. So F1 dash is equal to F2 dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus minus. So this is F1 dash. This is F2 dash. Okay, F1 dash ಗೆ first one K Q capital Q divided by x square is equal to F2 K 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K andre Q into Q square Q1 Q2 Q square divided by, so distance ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ r square. K cancelled. 1Q cancelled. X is equal to r by 2. Correct? That Q divided by x value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ r by 2. R by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ r square divided by 4. So is equal to Q divided by r square. Okay. So shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 capital Q divided by r square is equal to Q divided by r square. So r square get cancelled. I want to magnitude of Q. So 4Q is equal to small q. Q is equal to Q by 4. This is the magnitude. Okay. So the magnitude of the charge. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Q is equal to Q by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so this one is equal to Q is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so Q is equal to minus Q by 4. minus Q by 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, so minus Q by 4. Okay, so this is the magnitude of the charge. Okay, the location value, that is r by 2 in the position of the r by 2. Okay, in the position of the r by 2 with magnitude is Q by 4 minus Q by 4. That is it is the completed positions of the system of the charges is said to be equilibrium. Okay, so let's discussion some problems on the basis of the equilibrium of the charged particles. Okay, so before go to the this one. Next concept, charges in equilibrium. Okay, already studied equilibrium of the charged particles. So now the conclusion part from this one. There are three types of charges in equilibrium. The first one is stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. So what is the stable equilibrium? If the body tends to its original condition or original position when the slightly disturb the system. Now I just slightly disturb the system. The body is trying to what? Regain its original position or equilibrium position. So this is the what? It is a stable equilibrium. So let's take. So this is the what? I am disturbing the body. The body is regain its restoring force. The restoring force is begins in this system. That restoring force is trying to what? To reaches the initial position or main position of the body. So that is the what? Stable equilibrium. So what is the stable equilibrium? So if a body tends to, if the body tends to return to its original position or state. So original state when slightly disturbed the, so when slightly disturb the system. Okay, so this is the what? Stable equilibrium. So in case of charge, okay, come to the charge, because now I am talking about charge. Okay, so look at this one. Now I am disturb the body. The body is trying to reaches its equilibrium condition or main position, or it is initial position. So similarly in case of charge, this is positive charge. This is a positive charge. So if you put the charge capital Q, positive, it is a repulsive force. Positive, repulsive force. Okay, now the charges is starts to repulsive. So this positive, repulsive. So again the charge is come to this position. Look at, it is the magnitude is remain same. The magnitude is remain same. So both the charges is the force is opposite. So this is F1, this is F2. Both the forces are opposite. So this is the equilibrium condition. Already studied. So this is in case of charge. This is the stable equilibrium. Second one, unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. So what is unstable equilibrium? Okay, so now I am disturb the system. Okay, so now I am disturb the system. Okay, so now I am disturb the system. The system is not comes to the original condition or equilibrium position. Okay, that is a unstable equilibrium. So unstable equilibrium means, so if the body is tends to go away from the original position. Okay, so this is the repulsive force. Any one force, the body is trying to away from its original condition or equilibrium position. So that is a what? Unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. Okay, so if the body is tends to go away from the original state when slightly disturb the what? System. Write down the definition. So if a body tends to away from original state, from the original state when slightly disturb the system. Okay, so come to the charge. Okay, so charge, this is the plus Q charge. Okay, so this is the plus Q charge. So which charge? This is a minus Q charge. So because of due to the plus and minus, the force is exerted. This is the F1 force. So it is what the capital Q charge is changes its position because of due to the attraction force. The body does not what comes to its original position or equilibrium position. So this case, because the repulsive force, okay, because the repulsive force, the charge is moving this side. So this charge repulsive, again this side. Now this side it is what? So it is a unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium. How it is? It is unstable. Unstable. Now the last one, third one is neutral equilibrium. So neutral equilibrium means neutral equilibrium. The third one is neutral equilibrium. So now what is the neutral equilibrium? If the body is neither, okay, if the body is neither to away from the original position, okay, so if the body is neither tends to return nor tends to what? Away from the system. So that is what it is, a neutral equilibrium. So neutral means if a body neither, if a body, if the body is, so neither tends to original state not away from original state. So this is the what? Neutral equilibrium. So neutral equilibrium means, so the body is what? Not it is what? Tends to original state. The body is not to try to original state. The body is not to away from the original state. So look at this example better, we have to understand the concept. Plus Q plus Q. So where it is a minus Q charge. Okay, minus Q charge. Minus this one is plus positive negative, the force is exerted this direction, okay, so then it is a negative positive. Negative positive, it is like that. So F1, F2 both are in the same direction. So both are in the same direction means that is not a equilibrium. Okay, the equilibrium ಬರಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ Q1 Q2 ಅವೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, the positive positive it is a impulsive, positive negative attractive. So ಈಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ಕ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಅವೇ, ನಾಟ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಅವೇ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವೇನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ charges in the equilibrium concept. So better again madi, you have to keep it in your mind. This is the shortcut. Okay, so shortcut ante nenikodi, the shortcut of this diagram. So idikke shortcut tricks enanta helidre, shortcut tricks, shortcut. So shortcut ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು so this one. This one. So if the ball is in this position, okay, so if the ball is this position, so illige enadru ball na shift madidre, the ball one is shifted to this position. So again ball enagutte, it is in the comes to the main position, that is a stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium nodi, illige ball ana hakidre matte illige barutte stable. Second one, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ the ball is does come to the first position? No. So this case it is a unstable equilibrium. So this is a this is called as neutral equilibrium. This is the shortcut.